To make these delicious soy sauce eggs, first wash your eggs well. Then either use the soy sauce chicken mixture or make this from scratch. In a small saucepan, add 1 cup water, 1 cup light soy, 1/3 cup sugar, half a tablespoon dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon Chinese 5-spice powder, some ginger, a star anise, and cinnamon stick. Stir and bring to boil. When the mixture comes to a boil, add your eggs and rotate your eggs so that they are cooked evenly. Cook for 3 minutes. Tap the eggshells with the back of the spoon directly in the sauce until the eggshells are cracked all over to create the marbled effect. Cook for an additional 3 minutes. Remove the eggs from the sauce, cool, peel, and enjoy. More recipes can be found on sammywongskitchen.com or social media. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!